Hi, going on, my friend, fellow trader. It's Will here with the FxAce.com. First, a big welcome to the video. So, start of 2020, the first real trading week of 2020, and we have got off to an absolute smasher. Uh, this week, we've banked around 500 pips. You can see the trades we've taken here. The best trade of the week was on the uh, what was on gold. So you can see here we actually got a 1580 and we got a nearly a $27 move on gold. So we did. These were the signals that we sent out to our list on Sunday and to our subscribers. We did give one free signal. It was on the USD CAD, and I've closed all my trades early, apart from the Euro Swiss franc and the AUD USD. Going to let them run to tomorrow, see if I can bank some more profits. So you can see in total here around 510 pips. And this was the free signal I give you, my subscribers, on Sunday. I posted the video. It was on the USD CAD, and it's already up around 50 pips. It's running very smoothly, coming into the last trading day of the week. So I am in Australia here. It is evening time in Australia, so one more trading day over here. And it's Friday, so we have finished early. NFP tomorrow. We have banked our profits, and we're looking forward to next week. Okay, so if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, subscribe now. Some of the trades this week, we did get stopped out on the British pound Australian dollar. It happens. It went against us. It was the only trade that actually went against us this week, as you can see. The rest of them were all pretty good. Let's have a look at the gold trade. Trade of the week was on gold. Did make a video earlier in the week where it started the week it dropped down. Yesterday, with those missile strikes in Iran, gold did rocket up. Thought we were going to get stopped out. It went within $9 of our trade, our stop out, which was 16.20, and then nicely done here. The reason it's hit so hard there, hit such a hard wall. If we look left on the charts, we go right over here to price here. Okay, you can see before this was a long term period of distribution before we actually got this initial drop in 2012. But if you notice just here on the charts, this was the weekly hard time frame institutional selling zone, where you would expect to get a big reaction once the market actually went into this zone again. And this is why we were selling this week, because you can see this was the period of distribution, but this was the actual area, not nothing here. This is the actual area that caused this huge nearly $500 dollar drop in gold in 2013. This was the actual initial area of it. And what happened this week? We got the first test of that area. You can see it right up into it this week, and you get the initial big reaction here. That's why this sold here. Even with the talk of war, those missiles, it was just a catalyst for price to rocket up into this zone for us to sell again. You can see we got a beautiful trade there. And also here was the, see here, this reaction here was there. It caused this. If you zoom down into the daily, you'll be able to see that a bit different here. Okay, this was the actual cause. Okay, this was the weekly zone that caused this high. This was the zone that caused the test of this, and this caused this. Okay, so this is why that was reacting there. Beautiful move this week in gold. It was a signal my subscribers got. I'm looking forward to posting my subscriber results tomorrow. So if you want to actually join our signal service, very powerful signal service. Nearly after this week, 13,000 pips since June 2019. Unreal, it's unheard of, and we guarantee you will make 900 pips every 90 days, or they'll just simply give you your money back, even if you've made profit or not. Okay, so Guarantee you'll make profit. No other service will do this. Click the link below to access the Signal service. We do have a copy service where we do all the work for you. So you can click the link below and access that too. Any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. Looking forward to seeing you in the service. And subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the signals, and start profiting in 2020. And I'll speak to you soon.